Hello, everyone. Welcome to this seminar and special topics. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Professor Alejandro Ramirez, and I will be with you for this semester. Here you have my contact number and my email and my Kakao ID. Anyways, we're gonna create one Kakao group where we will have the communication of a class. I don't require you to do much in this seminar, but it's short but meaningful. I need you to do a couple things for me. Okay, so what is the aim of this seminar? So first of all, I want to take a more humanistic approach to yourself. You guys go and learn a lot of academic content. You know a lot of things, technical things, but you also need to grow as a person. So I will help you with different topics on how to improve yourself. Okay, so how to be a better professional and how to fulfill some of your goals in much better ways based on what I have experienced, it when I can guide you along. All right. So how are we going to work for the semester? So the first thing that I want to do with you is I'm going to send you one assignment. In that assignment, you will have to watch a movie and you will have to do some reflections about yourself. Why is it important to do it? For a simple reason. I don't know you and I want to see a bit more of yourself and what you're lacking and try to understand you better. Why? Because later we're going to have a discussion, a one-on-one discussion, you and me. Don't worry, for those that your major is English, is business and not in English, I am very patient and I can take care of you slowly. So don't worry about it. It's just a small discussion. So in that discussion, you are the one who is going to choose the topic that we're going to talk about. Okay, so in this case, if you want to talk about more about how to grow yourself or how to grow your career or etc., here I have the list of topics that you can choose from. Okay, so in this case, like I said, what you're going to do is you're going to choose one assignment and then you're going to do the assignment and then you're going to choose one topic. So in this case, for example, we're going to discuss a little bit in terms, let's say, professor, I want to focus on my leadership. So we're going to make an appointment later in the semester, and then I'm going to give you a link where you can register what topic you want to do, who you are, when you want to do it, which date works for you. I'm very flexible on that. And again, it's only 20 minutes and I'm flexible based on your time. We're not going to follow the class time. We're going to follow your time and my time and whether we can agree on a best time. So I'm going to put you the schedules and then based on that you can do it. Okay, so says, for example, professor, I want to talk a little bit about the world culture. Tell me what you have seen. How can I be a better professional by understanding more different religions or different things? Or I want to talk about more of social issues that are current. So let's talk about a little bit of that. Like I said, you have to choose one topic. Of course, if you want to discuss a little bit more of two, then you say, professor, during my conversation I want to talk about work-life balance and I also want to talk about stress management. That also works. Okay, but at least there must be one. Okay, we're gonna have a chit chat. When in the semester, like I said, is up to you, not so much up to me. We're gonna do that and then we're gonna talk about that, and then that should work very well. Okay, all right, very good. So that is for that. Then let's talk about more here. So we're gonna be joining a Kakao group, right? In that Kakao group, I will be updating you and then also posing some questions sometimes. So I want you to really involve. Whenever I ask one question, I send you articles and say, what do you think about this? Try to be responsive. That is also part of your passing grade. Okay, so in this case, you're gonna be there. Group guidelines is gonna respond questions from 9:30 to 3 p.m. and I will post those questions within that time frame. Try to answer. Read the questions. Be participative. Not just read and ignore me. You read and ignore me, I guarantee you will not pass the subject. It's easy. It's one credit, but I want you to talk. I want you to discuss. I want you to be involved, because in the end, because of Corona, we are stranded to not to talk to people, not to socialize. So I need you to be a little bit more involved in that. So try to read and respond, not just ignore me. I don't want to be ignored. I also feel very bad that I pose questions and there's only one, and then the rest just ignore me. You ignore me again, I will just delete you from the group and expect not to pass. Okay, like I said, this is very simple, but I need your participation. Okay, very good. So with that, we're done. Yeah, so I will post the schedule on your eCampus, and then we will decide when is the best time for you. Not for the first week. I'm going to start already in 2 weeks' time. Well, the assignment is for the first week is the following week, that you have to do that first. Then based on your responses, I can get to know a little bit more of your personality and see what kind of person you are, and that will work very well. Okay, so I will put the schedule there. First, join the Kakao group that I left in there, and then I will answer questions on a slow, well, not on a slow, on a quick fashion. All right, so very good. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.